might be a bit dark. So I might turn a light. Well, no, my camera's, I think, just adjusting. Okay. I'm going to put this light on. Excuse me, guys. Hi everybody. Well, yes, I have little Apani, but as you'll see by the description, well, no, the title, I was tagged today by somebody, Jamie's Life. Thanks, Jamie. I've never ever done a tag video before, and I thought to myself, you know, even though my channel is very much about snakes, my life with them, I do have a punny here with me because I have done videos, I guess, where I've had a snake but they've disappeared and gone and done their own thing, but I try to always have a snake with me on my videos. So today is no exception, even though it's a tag video. So guys, hang in there, because I may have tagged a few people that, well, I don't have to, but I have tagged a few people, so wait till the end and find out if you've been tagged. You're under no obligation to do it, but it's kind of the time of the year, isn't it, to be giving and caring and sharing and all of that wonderful stuff. So today I'm going to do the tag video, and it's about being thankful, and the things we are thankful for in our lives. So I'll start at question number 1. I had to write them down because there's 15, would you believe, and I'd be lucky to remember the first 3 of those that are asked of me. So the first one is, what are my two colours that I'm most thankful for? Well, I have to say hot pink, would you believe? I really do like hot pink, and I like aqua. And the reasons I do is because my channel, so to speak, when I get some stickers and stuff, will have those colours in them. What am I thankful that my spouse does? Well, as you know, I don't have a spouse in my life, so I guess I can't really answer that question, can I? But I'm sure plenty of you will be able to do that. What am I thankful when it comes to what the kids do? For me, it's that hug hello, and it's the hug goodbye. A hug and the kiss to say hello, and when they're walking out the door as well. Thankful food. What food am I thankful for? Organic food. That is what I am most thankful for. And to put a bit of a spin on it, rats. I'm very thankful for rats too. Well, my snakes are. Recent thankful good news. Well, I would have to say, hearing that the mama of my new jungle jag, well, I said mama already, but she is pregnant. So for me, I'm so thankful, but I'll be even more thankful when she lays and she's all good. That to me, I will be thankful for. Favorite drink? I have to say tea is my favorite, and beyond that, of course, would be water. And that's water for me, but water for my snakes as well. Well, no, it's not your favorite. A restaurant that you most thankful for. And around here, the restaurant that I'm thankful for, which may sound really weird, is my own kitchen, because I really don't like takeaway food or restaurant food. Sorry if that's a bit of a downer, but I like my kitchen. That's my restaurant that I'm thankful for. Geez, I'm not really doing a very good job of this, but you get what I mean. The animal that I'm most thankful for, well, what can I say? Of course, my snakes I am very thankful for, but I'm thankful for all of them that I have in my life. Thankful for a beauty product, I would have to say moisturizer, because I don't wear makeup, and I guess it's a beauty product that we're talking about, so yeah, it would be moisturizer for sure. Cleaning product that I'm most thankful for, oh gosh, F10. I have to say F10 for cleaning out all my snakes' enclosures and all the things that they have in there and so forth. Time saving. F10. If you don't know what that is and you're watching this video, it's a veterinarian grade sterilizer for cleaning out all my snake enclosures and anything that they need. Are you going to climb on Mum's glasses today? Thinking about it? Thinking about it? Or are you just licking my eyebrow? Licking my eyebrow. My social media, what I'm most thankful for. Well, of course I'm going to say YouTube, because I've been able to talk to all you guys, show you my beautiful snake family. Has to be YouTube. But I will say to do the flip on that, because it has got here, I can't do it yet, that's a question coming up. Okay, goodness gracious. Okay, my most recent text that I am thankful for, from my daughter. Always from my daughter, just so I know she's okay. That's what I'm thankful for when it comes to the text. What candy am I thankful for? None really, honestly, but we do have Werther's butterscotch candy here that occasionally I'll buy, and I do enjoy them. I must say, I do enjoy them. Favourite app, or not? See, I keep saying favourite. It's kind of favourites to some degree, but that I'm thankful for. It's all about thankful. I guess my app, Snakes. That's what I'm thankful for. I can put in their feeds and shedding and any issues and all of that, and it's right there in a click of a button. Yeah. What am I thankful for in terms of an event or whatever that's coming? I think I'm thankful for every birthday these days. I would have to say my birthday, and not in a selfish way, but that I'm glad to be here, to have every birthday. So this is all about what we're thankful for, and these items that I've talked about, or things, or people, or so forth. So now I have to tag 10 people, and like I said, you're not obligated, but you can, you don't. So the first person, bitten off flesh, Sheldon, I'm going to hit you up for it. Azzy and Squeezy, Love Diary, I'm going to let Azzy know as well. Jay's Balls, come on man, you got to do it too. John Feely, well, he's the guy with the carpet python as well. So John, I'm going to hit you up and tag you. Now to go off some people that don't have to go off people who have snakes and go to people that don't have snakes. I'm going to ask Dakota and family to do this. Will from Just In Time Prepping, Retarda Rat, Lisa, I'm tagging you. Shirley Smith, Shirley, I'd love you to do it. And don't think you were getting away with it. Ed from the Genetic Hunters, and Regan from Regan's Reptiles and More, I'm tagging you all. So that's it. That's it. And wasn't she a good little girl? So much easier to handle than one of my big guys when I'm doing something like this, trying to read questions and answer. And gosh, just remember, what are we most thankful for? Take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.